In this video of ways to use business process automation, we will look at property and facilities management. By creating business rules and integrating all your system's data, BPA Platform can automate many tasks such as notifying of properties due for inspection and electrical and gas equipment due for testing or servicing, for example, regular PAT testing. It can automate maintenance orders based on ERP system and IoT data, for example, lighting and fire safety equipment. Automatically create compliance audits with incident reporting, ensuring timely responses and adherence to regulations. Manage facility asset life cycles from acquisition to disposal, creating and distributing reports and notifications. Automate conveyancers alerts, informing buyers when property searches have been completed. Issue automatic rent reminders, lease expirations, and renewal reminders by post, email, and SMS. Aggregate and format data to send management reports to landlords, and can streamline tenants' repair requests, rent statements, and general inquiries from email, web, and SMS directly to all your business systems. For the next video, please subscribe to our channel and visit codelessplatforms.com.